PondHawk delivers a practical tool for developers and civil engineers to meet the environmental requirements of a Virginia Level 2 stormwater pond. A good illustration of this is how the new River Valley Commerce Park in Dublin, Virginia, leveraged PondHawk technology for aeration in their remote pond. The immediate benefit to the project is that they did not have to deliver power to the pond. The long-term benefits are the lack of seasonal maintenance, zero energy costs, and an extension to dredging due to consistent biomass reduction. These positive environmental impacts complement the other best practices installed at New River Valley, making PondHawk a good fit for comprehensive stormwater design. Visit pondhawk.com for assistance and integration into your next project.